Hey everyone, I'm Nehun and I'm 12 years old. I love creating designs in FreeCAD. Today, I make a cool bottle design and I'll show you all its angles. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the comment section to tell me what you think. See how it's printing? The final print turned out absolutely stunning. A smooth, vibrant bottle with a gorgeous pink and purple color that really pops. Watch it coming to life was so exciting. Let's dive into the design. So firstly, what we're going to do is we're going to go to part design. Then when we click sketch, we're going to hit the XZ plane. Once we click the XZ plane, we'll be taken to the sketch menu. Straight line, kind of bending in, straight line, escape, delete this one. Oh no, sketch, edit sketch. Here, and then click this. So now that we're here, we're gonna make that bigger. We're gonna just fillet all these edges, make that, do this and that. I think I'll leave the edge sharp. Now what we're going to do is we're going to close it and extrude. Click OK. And we have a rough mail bottle. We're going to click fillet on this main side and hopefully let's fillet the edge here. I think that's what we need to do. Oh, we can't. Yeah, we can't. Let's fillet an edge. I don't think that's the edge we want to fillet. That's the top part. Then we're going to edit the pad a bit, make it a bit bigger. Now it looks a bit too big, but that's okay. So what we're going to do is now we're going to select the bottom plane, click that. Now we have a somewhat curvy mail bottle with a solid grip next to it. And if you don't like how it looks, you can make it softer, which looks a lot more like a mail bottle. Now it's way smoother, as you can see. And we can just draw the top in. So the top part's kind of like a lid. It's kind of like that, but I'm probably not going to do that because that's just a bit complicated for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in the middle and just create a cylinder. A circle. Now I'm just going to extrude it. I'm going to add a slight taper angle. And as you can see, I kind of want to fill in this part, but I don't think I can do that without messing it up fully. So if I edit the sketch and kind of make it smaller than the bottle, now it looks like, I think it looks like a mail bottle. It looks like the hole is like opened up, so you can just push that in. Okay, and now we can just correct the way it is, like where it's supposed to be. Move that a little to the side and the front. Close. Now it's in the middle. So this looks pretty much like it. I'm going to be showing you how to 3D print this in the next segment of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.